So today guys, I'm gonna show you how to create glow over the images, like this rock of diamond. Now I'm gonna make this look better. So first, I'm gonna make the glow. The first thing I'm gonna need is exposure. I'm gonna make this brilliant. Let's do this another time. I'm gonna make the core of the rock lighter. And with this, with some curves, I'm going to create contrast, making the darker colors and make it whiter the white colors. So this is a really good improvement, but we can do more. So I'm gonna add the glow. So as you can see, this is solid color, and once you click on that, you can create color like this. We don't want that. So once you've created this solid color, just go here on blending options and choose linear dodge add. So this is going to be our glow effect. Now let's create a simple mask. I've already created one recently. So this is the result. Obviously brush only over the orange colors. So from this to this is a really good. Now let's do this with all the main colors of the photo. So like the bluish and the magenta. So I'm gonna make the darker color, because too much glow on the inside. So as you can see, there's a lot of glow here. I'm gonna remove it just by using these curves. As you can see, these are the highlights right here. Then exposure for this rock right here. Then camera raw filters do everything, so remember that. Once you have finished doing the scratch, go on filter and camera raw filter. Obviously make this all a smart object and then edit everything with camera raw filter. So this is the final result, but I just want to show you what I did to make this look like that. It's really beautiful. This is the before, this is the after. Look the huge amount of bluish colors that I've added just by dragging the temperature slider to the left. -21. I've made magenta colors, avoiding the green. I've made a lot of contrast because look what job it does. So you have to use mainly these options. For any doubts, curiosities or opinions regarding the final result, do not hesitate to write a comment below. If you enjoyed the video, I invite you to hit the like button and subscribe. Greetings and thank you for watching this video until the end.